Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, we'll see how to load data from Access database. So Access is also another source from where we can load data into Power BI. So in order to do that, we will first have a look into the Access data that we are currently having. So this is the Access data file that I'm currently having. So this is basically White House salary data for the year 2010, and I have pulled this data from a publicly available data set. Okay, so these are the employee names, these are employee status, salary, pay basics, and the position of the title. So this data set is in Access database, and the table name is WH salaries. Now we'll see how to load this data into Power BI from this Access database. So for that, I will launch a new Power BI desktop file. Okay, now over here you have the get data tab. So over here you can click on the get data. So as usual, it will list some of the most commonly used database from where Power BI pulls data. So Access is not listed over there, so we clicked on more, and from here we can get this option Access database. Okay, we will click on this Access database. Okay, and this is the file that we are having. So we'll click on the WH salaries. It is trying to create connection, and it is showing what are the available tables that are there. So over here you have WH salaries, right? So from there you will get, if you go into over here, we'll select the option of WH salaries. This is the preview of the data set. Okay, and if you do a load, it will start loading. So the moment the time since it's loading, it's giving a message there are pending changes in your queries that haven't been applied, because it is getting applied now. Okay, now it is now loaded. So if you look into this table, so you will see that these are the fields that got loaded. So employee name, employee status, pay basis, position title, and salary. So 5 fields: employee name, employee status, salary, pay basis, and position title. So all the fields have been correctly populated. So as a best practice, it's always advisable to check the field names that have been loaded into the desktop file, Power BI desktop file, and the origin file. So if those two should ideally match, just have a quick check. That's a quick check just to ensure that nothing has happened while loading the data. None of the fields have got dropped while loading the data. Not only that, we need to see that the count of the data. Means that's a quick check. Let's do a quick check of the count of the data. If you select the employee name, and if you select count of the employee name, there are 469 employee names that are there in the data set that's loaded in Power BI desktop. Now if I go here and if I see, you will see the record is one of 469. So the last record, if you click here, it's 469 records, right? So all these records have been successfully loaded from this Access database to this Power BI file. So that's how we load Access database records to Power BI desktop file. That's all we have for this particular tutorial. Thank you.